What are you guys doing?
There you
Next
go.
level.
It smells so good in here, folks. Homemade cookies.
You're
God knows
recording
what they're
this, aren't
making
you?
now. What are you making now?
Oh wait, I could just do
What
this.
are we making, honey?
Banana bread? I
You're
kind of.
making banana bread?
This works, right?
Yep, that's perfect.
That's going to smell even better.
There's the one with nuts, one
It
with
smells like pecan pie cooking.
I want to touch the flour so bad.
No, you don't play in the flour.
Doody, doody,
The flour feels so good on my hands though.
doody. He loves it.
Wait,
He
I can
wants
play
to be
with
in the
leftover
video.
flour.
Doody loves to be in the video.
Caitlin, you want to
Judy,
check the
be
cookies
good.
and pecan pie in the oven?
Pecan pie's in the oven, folks.
Now it looks like my hands are
There
full
you
of
go.
flour.
Thanks a lot for watching. Louie, out.
Looking yummy.
Cookie!
They might want to see that.
Cookie!
Ooh.
Cookie!
Is that
Also,
sugar cookies?
hi!
Oh, yeah.
Hi. Hi! I know a few
Merry
people.
Christmas to all our fans.
I know a few people are watching this. Rooney, Damien, gonna call you guys out. Hi!
Hello.
Thanks a lot for watching.
And the
Louie,
Youngs are out.
Bye!
Merry Christmas.
Louie out!
And have a great Christmas
Bye! Merry Christmas!
from Doody.
Hey!
Tucker.
And the Youngs over here.
Recyclable or whatever it's called.
Yep, compostable.
Are you going to stir this?